Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you on how to connect your NB PLUS Smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video guys I'm going to show you on how to connect your NB PLUS Smartwatch to your smartphone. So all we have to do guys is we're going to get our NB PLUS Smartwatch. Let's go to settings and let's look for connect mobile phone. And from there you can see there the QR code. So all we have to do is we're going to scan that one using our smartphone. Okay guys, so I actually tried to scan the QR code but my phone cannot read it, so let's just find another way guys. Let's go to Play Store and let's download Wear Fit Pro. Right guys, so as you can see, let's tap Wear Fit Pro and let's actually I have downloaded it already, so let's tap open. Okay, and tap on agree. Okay, enable surf permission, so you can check that one later. Okay, so this is now the home screen of our Wear Fit Pro. So you can see there at home section, so you have here steps, blood pressure, SpO2, heart rate, and sleep. And let's tap on devices guys. So let's add device. Okay, so Wear Fit Pro is asking to turn on Bluetooth, so let's turn our Bluetooth on. Okay, so as you can see guys, it's said here searching, so let's tap on that one, NB PLUS. Okay, paired successfully. So as you can see, our NB PLUS smartwatch is already connected, and for us to make sure guys that it is successful, so we are going to tap on find device. Alright, so as you can see guys, right now the smartwatch is actually vibrating. I'm sorry, but when you tap on find device, there is no sound, it's just vibration. Okay guys, so it's just very easy. Just go to your Play Store and download the Wear Fit Pro and you can set it by yourself. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I will see you on our next video.